Plant FAQs. Colocasia red-eyed gecko. Colocasia red-eyed gecko. A conversation with Ferb. Hi everyone, Ferb here. As a plant enthusiast with a soft spot for unique foliage, today we're exploring the world of the Colocasia red-eyed gecko, a tropical stunner guaranteed to add a touch of the exotic to your garden. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Colocasia red-eyed gecko? The Colocasia red-eyed gecko is a tropical perennial belonging to the Araceae family, known for its captivating leaves. This hybrid, likely a cultivar of Colocasia esculenta, elephant ear, boasts vibrant lime green leaves splashed with a striking red spot in the center, resembling a gecko's eye. The leaves are held aloft on sturdy, grass-green stems, adding to the plant's architectural appeal. What makes the red-eyed gecko special? The red-eyed gecko stands out for its unique color combination. The vibrant lime green foliage paired with the bold red spot creates a stunning visual contrast. Unlike some variegated plants where the color can be uneven, the red-eyed gecko has a consistently bright red spot, making it a reliable choice for adding a pop of color to your landscape. How does the red-eyed gecko compare to other colocasias? The Colocasia genus offers a vast array of shapes, sizes, and colors. Here's a quick comparison of the red-eyed gecko to some popular varieties. Colocasia Black Magic. This dramatic variety boasts near-black leaves with a metallic sheen. It thrives in similar conditions to the red-eyed gecko, but offers a contrasting dark foliage option. Colocasia Illustris. Nicknamed the elephant ear, this giant Colocasia features massive, deep green leaves that can reach several feet in length. While impressive, it lacks the vibrant color play of the red-eyed gecko. Colocasia Thailand Sunrise. This sun-loving Colocasia displays a beautiful gradient of green, yellow, and orange on its arrow-shaped leaves. It prefers more sunlight than the red-eyed gecko, making them suitable for different light conditions. Growing tips for your red-eyed gecko. Thriving in warm, humid environments. The red-eyed gecko is perfect for creating a tropical oasis in your home or garden. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Prefers partial shade with some morning sun. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Moist, well-draining soil is crucial. Amending your existing soil with compost or coco coir can improve drainage. Watering. Water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Fertilizer. Feed your red-eyed gecko a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer. Follow the product instructions for appropriate dilution. Winter care. In colder climates, the Colocasia goes dormant. Reduce watering and protect the rhizome, underground stem, from frost. You can either bring it indoors or mulch it heavily outdoors in frost-free zones. USDA zones 8 to 11. Is the red-eyed gecko poisonous? Yes. Like most colocasias, the red-eyed gecko contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can irritate skin and mucous membranes if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Can I grow the red-eyed gecko indoors? Absolutely. It thrives in bright, indirect light in a humid environment. Grouping it with other plants or placing it on a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity. How big does the red-eyed gecko get? Typically, it reaches a mature height of around 3 to 4 feet, with leaves spanning 1 to 2 feet wide. However, size can vary depending on growing conditions. Where can I buy a Colocasia red-eyed gecko? Many online plant retailers and nurseries specializing in tropical plants offer the red-eyed gecko. Look for reputable sellers with healthy specimens. Conclusion. With its stunning foliage and relatively easy care requirements, the Colocasia red-eyed gecko is a fantastic addition to any plant collection. So, embrace the tropics and bring a touch of the exotic to your space with this captivating conversation starter. Happy planting!